What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video with Broke Girls Art School. In today's episode, I will be showing you guys how I made this design with bleach on this shirt that I got from Goodwill, because you know I'm on a budget. So make sure to drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought, and subscribe if you want to see some more content. Let's get started. So first we're going to go over the supplies you need. I got this shirt from Goodwill for $2, super nice Converse brand button-up. I grabbed a plastic cutting board to put in the shirt so the bleach doesn't bleed through. Any kind of tape will work. Something to put your bleach into. I grabbed a cup of water as well because I figured I might want to dilute the bleach. And then grab yourself some Q-tips. Q-tips were the main thing I used to put on the design. Also a light colored pencil. I used Prismacolor. I didn't end up using a paintbrush at all. And then just the bleach itself. Grab some paper towels just in case. And a glass of wine. Cheers, bitches. Let's craft. All right, so the first step I took was buttoning my shirt around the plastic cutting board. And then I flipped it over, grabbed my painter's tape, and applied it to the back to kind of make the fabric pull tight on there so it wasn't loose on the front side. And the shirt was a little bit wrinkly, and I couldn't find a iron, so I ended up spraying it with some water and then blow drying it, and it took all the wrinkles out for me. Next, I grabbed my Prismacolor, just a light colored pencil, and started mapping out how I wanted the moth to look. So I drew like a center line and kind of some reference dots because I was freehanding it on. I'm sure you could find a way to like stencil a design onto the shirt, but being an artist, I was like, screw it, I'll just draw it on there. And it worked pretty well. The stencil stayed on there really nice, so it's a little bit more of me sketching. And then, side note, if you're looking to do a crescent moon, just grab anything that's a perfect circle and, just use that to trace. So that was my first layer of bleach. I ended up just using the Q-tips to apply it. And the thing I found with this bleach is I layered it over and over and it just kept brightening the design. Eventually, I grabbed a hair dryer and used that to speed the process along so I didn't have to wait so long for the bleach to dry. And I just kept adding more and more layers until I got the contrast that I wanted. The shirt wasn't like fully cotton, so I think it took a little bit longer for the bleach. Next time I try this, I'll probably get something that's full cotton. This was my first time trying it, so we were learning as we went here. After I had the bleach to the brightness that I wanted it, I just had some black fabric markers that I wanted to fine-tune the design with, just to crisp up some lines and give it a bunch more detail. Yeah, you can find these fabric markers. I got mine at Hobby Lobby for like $2 a piece. So we're just going through, adding some more details, some solid black. And the cool thing about this is you can make the design as simple or complex as you want. I really like the effect that the bleach gave. It almost made it look like it was burnt onto wood or something. Speaking of wood burning, if you guys want some tips and tricks with that, check out some of my other videos. I do a lot of pyrography, so. All right, and then I decided to do a little crescent moon on the front pocket as well with some stars. Yeah, a hair dryer, definitely a game changer, made the bleach dry so much quicker. Again, we're just layering over and over until it brightens up enough. And then I grabbed my fabric marker again and went and did some, structural lines so you could tell more what it was. And here's the finished product. Thanks guys for checking out another episode of Broke Girls Art School. Make sure to drop a comment, let me know what you guys thought, if it worked for you, and subscribe if you want to see some future content because I'm always crafting new things. So have a good one.